Yezert, what's good, Josh? Your man, Two Flows. Back with another vid on Sonnets and Souls. In this episode, I'm going to be talking about 5 ways to see social media. This is more so going to be about things to remember about social media. Everybody uploads for everybody. You know, there's not a person in this world who uploads and doesn't want anybody to see it. That's the whole point of uploading in the first place. Your favorite rapper, whoever, rich, poor, they upload so somebody else can see it and hopefully approve of what they're doing. That's to keep the playing field even. Doesn't matter who it is, doesn't matter how much they got. They're doing it for everybody. They're doing it so you can see it. So before you go on social media, when you go on social media, just remember everybody uploads for everybody. Number 2, it's meant to look like a party you weren't invited to. How does social media look like a party? Well, different energies. Some people got their own groups there, and then other people got their own groups. So many different topics. Social media is politics. It is all about presentation, right? It's meant to look like a party that you weren't invited to. It's meant to feel like a party more so that you weren't invited to. You know what I'm saying? Don't try to fit years of your life in a profile. Number 3, treat it like a business. Unless you're writing a book, I don't see a reason why, if you're treating it like a business, you should be throwing your life story online. You see what I'm saying? Sell what you're selling. See, it's easier to present a brand because a brand is not a person. McDonald's could say whatever they want. You're still going to buy their food if you like their food. And people don't care about who made the car. People don't care about who made the Gucci sweater or the Gucci hat or whatever. Nobody cares about the actual designer themselves. They just care about the product. With the right products, you can make anybody believe anything, man. So yeah, treat it like a business, man. Number 4, you can't see your pace, so stop looking for it. What is your pace? Your pace is how fast or how slow or how long it's going to take for you to get to where you want to be at. The internet scrambles that up. Social media distorts your vision. You see what I'm saying? You really just want to be happy. So listen to interviews of people who are very successful, right? The interviewer would ask the same question. Did you see yourself becoming this before you went on this path? And they would say, no, I wanted to do this and I wanted to do that. But then this happened when I was doing this. And what they were talking about when they're saying when I was doing this, it's always something real. It's when they're dealing with a problem in the present. You see what I'm saying? You can't see your pace, so stop looking for it, man. Stop looking for it, man. Worry about the problems that you got right in front of you, and then you'll understand. First, you need to know where you're at before you talk about where you want to be at. First off, you don't even know where you're at. You're looking at the phone. You don't even know where you're walking. You got to live your pace. Number 5, have a passion before you log back on or for the first time. If not, social media is just going to be like a drug to you. This can be relatable with number 3, but I'm about to go in on this one, right? Number 5, have a passion, man. Have a passion before you even log back on, right? So when you log off of social media, right, I bet you majority of the people have never logged off. Unless they got in a new phone or something like that, right? You must have a passion. You must have a reason to hop on social media. Don't hop on social media to just kill time, man. Killing time is killing yourself, killing experiences, killing motivation. Why kill time? Why not use it? No matter how old we get, we're always going to be closer to death. So why are we trying to find ways to just specifically kill time? We're killing our dreams. You're killing your motivation. You're killing chances of being inspired by real life. Because when you're living it, the reason why doing things off of real life experience is important is because when you live it, it has more of an impact than when you just see it on TV. When you see it on TV, you don't even know what comes with actually living that. So you don't have a lot to speak on. Why not just, talk about what everybody else is talking about? Well, because I don't do what everybody else is doing. Why not talk about the things that you see on social media? Because I don't live that. That's why it catches my interest. It's only the things that I don't live that catch my interest. Only things that you don't live that catch your interest. What if you scrolling down Instagram and all you see is a videotaping of what you can see right outside your window? You don't want to see it. If you live on the ocean, you're not double tapping pictures of the ocean. You want to see what's going on land, right? You want to see what's going on in the sky, right? Case in point, man. It's been your man Two Flows on another episode of Sonnets and Souls. Till the next time, peace out. I gotta go.